Hello, my name is Carolina Herrera and I work at Sunshine Stay Academy, and today we are going to make homemade kites. I already have pre-done this one so you can see how it's going to look like. I'm going to show you also the back. In the front we are going to do different things as you wish. But one of the things that I'm going to mention all the materials that we're going to be using for these specific ones. We are using construction paper, but it has to be lightweight construction paper. We can use also newspaper. We can use a trash bag, shopping bags, whatever is easier for you. We can even use tissue, but make sure that it's light. We also going to be using sticks. I use bamboo sticks. You can use any sticks that is, again, very light. We're going to be use a ruler because we are going to measure the dimensions of the kite. We are going to be using glue. We are going to be using ribbon to tie the kite on the back with the sticks, and also to make sure that we having long enough for us to hold it while they fly. We also going to be using scotch tape. I like to use this one because it's a little bit heavier, and when it's flying, everything's going to be intact. But you can use also clear tape, which is whatever is easier for you. We are going to be using a pair of scissors, and we are going to be using different kinds of decoration for your kites. I use stickers for this one, but you can use also markers, crayons, whatever is that your child wants to do with it, and then they can do their own design in front of their kite. Okay, so we are going to start by having our construction paper, or like I said, any other materials that you're going to be using. You are going to be using the ruler, and for the smaller dimension of the kite, which is going to be on the upper level, is going to be from the center of the kite is going to be 12.5 inches, and then for the longer one is going to be 8.5 inches. So it's going to look like a diamond, something like this. Okay, so we are going to be cutting it, and after we cut it, it's going to look something like this. So when we have that prepared, so we are going to have our sticks, and we are going to be gluing them. Okay, before we glue it, we need to make sure that we are going to put it together. So I am going to be using my ribbon to tie them very tight. So I am going to first make sure that we have it the first dimension, and we are going to be tying it. Okay, you're going to hold it tight, and you're going to make sure that you tie it very, very tight, and you're going to go to each and every angle, tying it so it doesn't go away. Okay, so we're going to go different ways to tie it, and at the end you actually can glue it or put some tape on it, whatever you decide to do, so it doesn't go anywhere, to have it more secure. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, this is fun for them to make, and then if they go outside, it will be something fun for them to do in the outdoor. So this is something that you guys can share together. So make sure that you have it right before you actually glue it, so it's going to be tight enough. So what I do usually is I either put tape or I put glue on it, so it doesn't move anywhere. So I'm going to put a little bit of tape. You can do either or. Okay. So I put some tape on it, and this tape I like also because it's easier to cut, so they don't have to use scissors all the time. So this one, I'm going to put some tape on it so it can be secure. So then after that, what I'm going to do is I am going to put some glue on it. I'm going to put some glue on the sticks. Okay. and then I'm gonna put it all the way up and down, okay? And you're gonna notice that one of that sides of the stick is not going to be touching the bottom of your construction paper or whatever material you use, but that's why I'm gonna use tape to secure it so it doesn't move. So you don't want it to go all the way flying and then all the parts of comes off, all the parts of the kite. So I am going to put it down on the construction paper, and I'm going to secure it with my tape. Okay, again, this tape is good because you can break it down. It's easier for them, especially for the kids. So you want to secure the stick all the way down, and then I'm going to do the other side. And I'm going to do also on the other, even though you put glue on it, please put tape because it's not going to come off. You want to make sure that it won't come off. Okay, down here. And I'm also going to put it in the center of the kite. Remember, the lighter your kite is, the higher it's going to fly. So if you want to use, instead of construction paper, you want to use trash bags or even shopping bags, the ones that you is reusing it, that would be great. So as you can see, we did a kite, and now we are going to decorate it in the front. So like I decided to use stickers, but you can have your child decorate it with any design that they have, with markers or maybe construction paper. They can use glitter, they can use pom-poms, and to make it nice, to make it beautiful, depends what is that they want. So all you have to do is just let them go through their imagination and let them just make it fun. It will be a great to go to the park and then just have fun doing something you both can use, because you can use one for you and you can make one for them as well, so you both can enjoy the outdoors. So as you can see how everything came out, and then you can have the ribbon as long as you want. I decided to keep it on because I wanted to continue flying as high as the wind takes it, but you can just have it a certain amount of length and just have fun. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.